I'm not Vecna. You sort of are. You're trying to say that I'm evil and hell-bent on destroying the world?
I'd let the world go, let the world burn for you. This is how it always had to end. If I can't have you, then no one can. I let it blow.
I've seen what's coming, and no disrespect meant, but you and your men can't protect shit! The monsters are coming, and you're all forgotten. Mom can suck a fat one. Probably from all my farts. Eat dirt! And remember, you're not dipshit Derek. You're delightful Derek.
Ashley! Look at me!
From my innocence, I wanna be a kid again. I cry about it all the time. They took away my paradise.
No. You're not going.
Hi. Max wanted to have a sleepover. Against the rules? We make our own rules.
See? What I tell you? There's more to life than stupid boys.
Smells like ass in here, dipshit.
Probably from all my farts.
Disgusting. Mom wants you down for dinner.
Mom can suck a fat one.
My daughter, Sarah, she was brave. I thought she was gonna make it too.
That's why you don't want me in here. Because you think Vecna will win, and I will die.
I don't want to lose you.